Today is August 2nd, 2017. Back to the Stocks to Trade daily trade recap. Going to talk about a killer setup on LL as well as due diligence and having a plan. So last night in Stocks to Trade Pro, check the link below for info on Stocks to Trade Pro. I live stream twice a day, live trading setups, using the software, using scanners, using Oracle, using all these tools we have twice a day, as well as once a week, Tuesday nights. We kind of break down potential swing trades, talk a little more about the psychology of trading, as well as, the mechanics of trading. So going to talk about the swing trade worksheet. This is a template that we use all day, every day. I've got several of these in Pro that the users have access to. And, is it the holy grail? No, but it is a process that I've built over the last 10 years to build a trade plan, as well as, break down, hundreds, thousands of stocks down to the best stock to trade. Now, we started out running the screeners last night, started out with about 200 stocks, quickly got down to about 15 with about 2 clicks with the power of the screeners that we use in Pro, got it down to about 15, refined those. So that's the nice thing. You see the process live, refine those down to about 6 stocks. You see I've got a couple columns here, but there's repeats. Notice the stars. You probably can't read my terrible handwriting, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stars that we've decided to then break down. We did sheets on both of those, went through the process, decided that LL, Lumber Liquidators, was the best swing trade setup going into today. Now, yes, I know that typically a lot of the viewers of these videos, a lot of the guys are interested in day trading. I know a $36 stock may not be that interesting to you, but keep in mind all these rules apply. It could be a $3.60 stock. It could be a 36-cent stock. Same idea. Use different position sizes, obviously, with a higher price stock. You have a little different trade plan. But right now, I've seen a lot of opportunity in the higher price stocks, especially since we're in earnings season. So LL was an earnings winner yesterday. We traded it yesterday on a couple different setups, but want to focus on today. Huge rip. If you go to the daily chart, look at this candle, like a $10 candle today. Closed literally at the high of the day. That is one of the big things that interested me. It was an earnings winner, strong stock, 52-week breakout, closes at the literal high of the day. So as we're looking at it last night at 7 p.m. in the strategy session, that was the price. Remember, price action trumps everything. Doesn't matter. I can fill out all of my fundamentals all day long. Only price pays. Only price pays. I should put that on the back of my Stocks to Trade t-shirt. But love the price action on this. We broke it down. There's earnings. There's a catalyst. It's a 52-week high. Nice chart breakout. It is a quote-unquote good company. Not that, now one knock I did, not that particularly sexy of a sector. Wood flooring, not exactly that. Not a biotech stock, not a technology stock, not a social networking stock. But that was about the only knock. Other than that, had positives across the board. Setup grade was an A-, and the trade plan. Now let's dial into today. Again, we broke this down last night. This wasn't some thing that we came up with after the stock rip. The goal was, remember that big daily candle, almost a $10 candle. Wasn't that interested in chasing the stock that high. So wanted a red open on this stock. That to me sets a base, sets a stop loss area. So you get that red open, stock grinds back green. There's a solid entry at that green point with risk at the low of the day. So you see my white previous day clothesline. You can see the stock did open red. Basically, 33.20 was roughly the bottom. Maybe you go all the way to 33 for your stop. Again, bigger range on a $36 stock. You're not going to have, typically, you're not going to have a 15-cent stop on a stock with this kind of range. So your stop is in the 33s, 33.20, maybe 33 at the absolute bottom. The total low of the day was 33.05. You then look to buy that. Red to green move gone over last night. So say you get in 36s, 33.60s, 33.70s, and then, really to me, the sell probably would have been here in roughly this 10-20 area. I mean, 5-minute candles is what I really like on swing trades. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green 5-minute candles, 1 red. That would be the exit on the day trade type setup. Now, obviously, the stock's making new highs. It's $1 higher than that exit. But to me, day trade, 45-minute trade, and you get a $2 move, you got to be thinking about selling at that point. So great idea on lumber liquidators. Don't be scared of these higher price stocks. Use the rule of 10. If you would normally trade 1,000 shares of a $3 stock, you can still make solid profits with 100 shares of a $36 stock. Again, multi-dollar moves on this thing. You can make several $100s in a short amount of time with only couple hundred shares. So thanks a lot, guys. Check out StocksToTrade Pro below, and we'll see you next time.